Hey everybody, my name is Marissa Romero. Welcome to this channel and to this video. In this video, we are going to be talking about work from home job ideas in 2019 and how you could potentially make anywhere from $2,000 a month to $5,000 a month. So go ahead and stay tuned to this video. Alright guys, welcome back to this video. Once again, my name is Marissa Romero, and if you are brand new to the channel, welcome. If you are a loyal subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in and continuing to watch and support. If you are new, what you can expect on this channel is all things making money online. So I'm teaching anywhere from complete beginners how to make money online. If you're an intermediate marketer, there's something for everyone, because I teach affiliate marketing, email marketing, sales funnels, paid advertising, free organic advertising. So if any of that's your jam and sounds good to you, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Hit the notification bell, because right now I'm posting basically on a consistent basis. I try to post daily, all right guys? So if you like this video and get any value at all, go ahead and comment below what your favorite work from home job was after you watch this video. It lets me know and gives me a feel of what you guys like and what I could maybe expand on and research more for future videos. So again, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And just a quick note for some of you that may be brand new, I am actually what they call a digital nomad. So I'm able to operate my laptop from any city, country, place in the world with just a laptop and internet connection. And right now I'm about 10 or 9 days away from heading off to Medellin, Colombia, and I'm super excited. So I hope you guys will join me on my journey. So I'll be uploading content from that trip. I should be there around 3 months, so that's pretty cool. All right guys, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into today's topics, and let's go ahead and start with job number 1. And that job is a virtual bookkeeper. Now, a virtual bookkeeper is basically a bookkeeper, and you would help companies or other smaller businesses manage their finances, and you can do it from the comfort of your home. Now, you may be wondering how you would get the skills or get started to do this. You can get qualified to be a bookkeeper typically by getting a 2-year degree, or there's other much shorter accelerated programs that maybe are like 3 to 6 months, where you can, get training on exactly what you need to do. And on average, from my research, I realized that being a virtual bookkeeper, you can make up to $20 per hour. So it would be a good option possibly for you to consider. So a bookkeeper is an excellent option if you're looking to work remote. And there are different types of bookkeepings. And what I mean by that is you could be a financial advisor, an accountant. So there's kind of different versions depending on your qualification level. But really, you can do the job as long as you understand bookkeeping and are able to get whatever certification you need to fill that position. The second work from home job you can do starting up in 2019 and beyond, this is a great one of my favorites, of course, and that is to start a YouTube channel. Now, I'm at 12,000 subscribers, or 12,200 and something subscribers at the making of this video. And right now I make approximately $1,300 per month. And I would imagine as my subscriber number increase and my watch and view time, that number is pretty much expected to double probably within the next 6 months. And so I'd love to eventually see it hit the 10K mark, which I know it'll eventually get to once I hit, 100,000, 200,000 subscribers and beyond. But if you guys are thinking, well, I don't know about showing my face and what am I going to YouTube about? Maybe you have a skill, expertise, something that you would love to teach. Like maybe think about, what is something that people ask me about all the time on how to do? Maybe you're a video editor and they ask you about video editing. Maybe you have a specific skill set in like guitar. Maybe your passion is barbecuing and you love to give recipes and recommend accessories. Guys, really, the YouTube channel, the sky is the limit. For example, my younger sisters, one, I actually got to commit to making a YouTube channel, and she's very creative in this space of like vlogging and just kind of daily lifestyle videos. And she's still in high school and she committed to starting her channel. So it's really exciting. It takes a lot of work, but really the journey is really exciting. And I have tons of videos. You can go to my YouTube playlist on this channel and look for the videos I make on YouTube on how to start and grow a YouTube channel. It could be quite fun and exciting. It does take persistence and consistency, but it would be a lifetime asset for you, especially if you're looking to build a brand and your business or whatever, if you're just looking to have it as a hobby. It is an excellent option, so I would strongly consider it, especially going into 2019 and 2020. YouTube isn't going anywhere, and just expect it to grow and grow and grow. It is the second largest search engine in the world, so I highly advise you guys to start considering it now. Okay, and job number 3 is what we call a virtual transcriber. So that is somebody who actually listens to audio from either an event or a speech or some type of conversation that went on, and they transcribe what they hear. Now, obviously it helps to be a very fast typer, because the more efficient you are, the more you get paid and able to earn per hour. So with this job, you could expect to earn anywhere from $9 an hour up to $35 an hour, depending on the website. And it is a great side hustle or job that you can do from the comfort of your home. And I'll leave a couple links in the description of websites you can check out, where you can check out positions on being a transcriber. So it is a great option if you're looking to get started on something and working from home. All right, the 4th job you can do and work from home is actually a live chat support agent. So these are the people that operate, I think everybody's seen when they go to a website, the little chat bubbles in the corner, they say need to talk to a live chat agent or get support from somebody right now, and you say yes, and you click on the little icon, and a bubble pops up, and you're able to talk to somebody and get live support from there right away. Well, those jobs are actually becoming more and more popular because companies are needing more support staff. So I will leave a couple links in the description, but more and more, even I'm seeing companies that on the tops of their website, they're saying, hey, we are hiring remote, this and that. So if you just can kind of look around on different websites that you go on, I guarantee you'll start to see those messages as well. But I will leave a couple links in the description that you can check out later to reference those different types of websites where you can be a live chat support agent and work from home. The next work from home job that I wanted to mention was something in a bit of a specific niche, and that is to be a virtual stylist. Now, you may be wondering, like, what does this mean? Well, if you go to a particular website called stitchfix.com /careers, you could learn way more about it, but basically you will be a stylist for people that need help figuring out what clothes to wear. And so you would mix and match a particular outfit or clothing line for them. And then once you recommend something, these people or these clothes are actually sent out directly to the customer. Now you could expect to make about $15 an hour being a stylist. And so this company has publicly announced that they are hiring these positions to be a stylist. So if you do like fashion, or if you're into that type of thing, it might be a great opportunity to start a little side income and work from home during hours that you can work from home, and they're very flexible. So I'd advise to go check that out if style and fashion interest you. The next work from home job you can do is to be a virtual assistant. Now, some people may be thinking like, oh my gosh, there's so much competition. However, there's really not. Now, if you're looking to maybe get started in being a virtual assistant, there's plenty of websites to kind of start on. But first, like what you can expect when you're a virtual assistant is helping people, maybe an individual local business like me. Like if you were to help become a virtual assistant for me, you'd be helping with managing spreadsheets, collecting data, customer service, answering emails, potentially making phone calls. Really the tasks that business owners don't have time for in a day-to-day. The variety of tasks can range, but it is definitely a great thing to do. There is definitely a remote option to do this from home. And the cool thing about being a virtual assistant is it's not something where you have to, get a certification or a 2-year degree or something like that. They're just kind of skill sets that you probably have acquired already in whatever type of school you've had or experience you've had, maybe with just helping out other people with general tasks and activities. So if you wanted to start to get your feet wet, you can always apply and put yourself out there and your brand on a website like freelancer.com or upwork.com. However, those websites, you can't really expect to make a whole lot of money. Then you can expect maybe anywhere from $7 to $12 to $15 an hour. That may not be a whole lot. It may be a good place to start and get reviews and rating and maybe your first clientele. You are more serious about having a higher hourly rate. I'll leave some websites you can check out where companies are looking for very, very, very reliable and more skilled virtual assistants, and you could get paid closer to $20 to $25 to maybe $30 an hour. And it's kind of a higher tier level of virtual assisting. I'll leave a couple websites you can check out and explore later on after this video. All right, and my very last and final job that I recommend, and it's also my favorite because this is actually what I do full-time now, would require you to basically open a business and become an online business owner, and that is affiliate marketing. So kind of similar to what I mentioned with creating a YouTube channel, you would be essentially creating a business. So what affiliate marketing is basically taking other people's affiliate links to different products that they have. It could be a physical product, it could be a digital product, and you would be marketing it online to make a commission. So this is all done from the comfort of home and from your laptop. Now, this isn't something immediate where you would get a job and start making money right away. This would be something that you build up over time. However, the income potential is really limitless, and depending how much work you're willing to put into being an affiliate marketer, you can make anywhere from $1,000 a month to $10,000 a month, and even beyond $10,000 a month. I know of a couple people in my niche, in my space, who are affiliate marketers who are making easily over 50 grand a month. And so there is different skill sets you would have to learn, but I guarantee it's going to take time and it's going to take patience because it is a business and it is a skill set you have to master. However, I highly recommend going this route because once you get it and understand and start making commissions and sales, it's a skill set and a business you can have for life. And it is especially doable to replace your 9-to-5 job or whatever you're trying to look for right now. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave my number one recommendation in the first link in the description that would help you to start and build an online business, specifically with affiliate marketing. And I also have my free video training series that you can check out. That'll be in the description below. So I hope you guys enjoy those videos. And this concludes my video today. Hopefully you guys got a little bit of inspiration and value from it. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment below with any thoughts and questions. I try to get to all of my comments for every single video, so I will respond back. All right, guys? So I will see you all in the next video. Thanks for watching. Take care.